Let's look at the concentration simulation from the PhET University of Colorado website. There's no accounts for you to sign in or registrations for you to do. Simply click on this middle button here to load the simulation. You'll see that you can choose several different solutes. For the purposes of this example, we'll just do the drink mix, although you can choose several other solutes based on your assignments. Here, you can pull on the faucet to add more water. You can shake this shaker to add more solute, in this case, drink mix. You can also use eyedropper and squeeze on the button here to add more solute. This is your tool to measure concentration. Click and drag the tool into the solution, and it will show you the units, the concentration in moles per liter. Make sure the units are in moles per liter. To change the units, click on the gear icon under simulation and make sure the checkbox shows solution volume and shows solute amount is clicked. You can use liters and moles per liter as the units. Several other things you can adjust in a simulation is evaporation. You can turn on the evaporation, which is basically a heater. It will boil the water away. It will remove the solvent, but keep all of the solute. You can also use this drain to remove the the entire solution, removing both the solvent and the solution. And if you want to reset the experiment, you can click on Remove Solute and change to a solute of another of your choice. Make sure that you follow the instructions in your assignment, and although the assignment does not require it, you could do a screenshot by pressing the Windows key, Shift key, and S on your Windows computer and selecting the area that you want to include in your assignment. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.